Lisa Marvin Art. I'm at this corner of the studio because all my stuff is here, because last video I was spinning a 3x2 foot and I couldn't be in my normal space because we're doing some moving around in the background. Anyways, you don't need to know that. What you do need to know is after I finished that one, which is 2x3 foot, I was I had to stand on top of a chair to take a picture, and my shoes were all painty and slippery, and then I slid right off the chair onto the floor, and I banged, because I was by the table, I banged like the corner here. Anyways, I'm like kind of injured, not horribly. I don't even know if it was worth it, because the whole purpose of the last painting was to put in the Lakeside retreat, but it's cool, okay? But it's not lakey enough. So I do like the idea that I did, which I'll tell you in a minute, but we are gonna go lakey. Now, because I'm not like feeling the best, I really have not mixed any new colors. I just picked whatever I had available that was bluish, so we'll talk about those colors soon. What I did was I blew out the colors first. Hi, Jory. I'm just doing my intro. Cool. I just told them about my accident yesterday. That's still wet, be careful. Yeah, I will now. And so, oh yeah, I blew out the colors, and then I swiped on top for like waves. What I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna blow out the colors again first, but I am gonna use Cell Activator to break them up. Then I am gonna kind of stretch it out to do a lakey landscape or oceany landscape. Then I might, I like your song. Then I'm going to swipe some white to make waves. I don't know. We'll see. These are the colors I got going on though.
How did it turn out last time?
Well, that's from yesterday. What do you think? It's not very lakey. That's why I'm like.
It's not very lakey.
No, that's why we're.
Like, I think you undercredit yourself a lot.
You literally yesterday told me I'm not a good artist. But
go watch that video, guys.
Yeah, last video. Yeah. Anyways. Okay, let's talk about what we're doing.
Hi guys, I wanted to give you a quick preview of the new space where I'll be doing my Lakeside retreats. It is so beautiful, so peaceful. You get massages. The food is just incredible. You get drinks every night. You get apps. You get breakfast. You get tacos. You get slushies. All the amazing things. Most importantly, we have a dress-up night the Saturday. But really what you do is you learn how to paint, you learn how to master your craft, you learn how to do things you may not know how to do. We blow, we swipe, basically those are the things that we do. We mix, and it is so fun. And most importantly for me is the connections that we make with each other, and you really do meet lifelong friends. So I hope to see you there.
So I have a 2-footer here, okay? This is my idea. I'm gonna have 2 pillow colors. The top pillow color is gonna be this really gorgeous purple. It's Sherwin-Williams Mesmerize. I use it quite often. Oh, I love your little like sound bites. Okay.
Thank you.
What I'm gonna do on top of the Mesmerize is I have this TLP Zimzillin. Or I would say Zimzillin, who got the keys to my bimmer? You know? You and I. Okay. It's from the 90s. Okay. And it has a beautiful, oh yeah, do you see that blue? So it will be like the purple with like a blue skyline. I don't know. Are you just going to do it with every random word?
Well, I just picked that one out.
I like it.
I'll do a lot more.
The bottom color is going to be Anchors Away Sherwin-Williams.
I really like that. I don't know why. I really like that color.
It is one of my faves. So let's talk about what actual paints we're going to go on here, okay? I have, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use them all because this is quite similar, but I do.
Very over and unprepared sometimes.
I am very over or unprepared, aren't I?
Yes.
I'm either very over prepared or quite underprepared. Today, guess what I am?
Over?
Nope.
Under?
Yes. Because I just like pull these out. Okay. I have, this is Triart Payne's Gray. most Payne's Gray are blue like this. The only Payne's Gray that is actually more gray is Amsterdam, which we use for Cell Activator. Okay, I have Phthalo Turquoise, a favorite. Let's not do it on every color, thanks. Teal, and then we have Cobalt Teal. These are the tubies, okay? Let's talk about the piggies. I have TLP Mermaid. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Say hi. You haven't said hi to your fans in so long.
I know. Mo's taking my spot on your channel.
Mo is more entertaining than you.
Yeah, I'm sure he is.
Although he does insult me more.
He insults you more?
Yeah. But, you know, we have TLP Lagoon and TLP Unicorn, which shifts colors. And then I have this Rose Gold by Schmanky, which I might use.
Schmanky,
I know. And my Cell Activator today will be Silver Old Holland. Okay, this is the vibe. What do you think? That's what I did yesterday that I injured myself on.
Yeah, let's talk about it. I was about to bring that up. Can you get all over your friend Lisa here, people watching, and tell her not to climb on chair? If you could see the chair she climbed on first of all, and then with
I'll show them.
Oh my goodness.
Right
and then
here.
with wet.
This little rinky-dink thing.
Yeah, that probably should have got thrown out years ago.
No.
Yeah, no. That was our former kitchen chair.
Yeah.
And she got on with wet.
My foot just went
pain.
Yeah.
like
I
that.
hear this pain.
Yes.
It's like huge. I run downstairs. I'm
Yeah.
like, everything okay?
And I was like, yep, I'm fine. But really, I was really hurt, but I didn't want to worry them.
And then you
What's this
refuse to
remote
tell
for?
us.
That. Yeah, that's my leg remote.
This is fun. I'm glad I
Okay,
came
you
down.
guys, you can't just come here and burn
this is
me.
fun. I like your colors. I really
Do
like
you?
your colors.
Okay. Oh God, you guys, I'm never gonna get anything done.
Sneakers
Okay.
down here, too.
Sneakers is down here.
The whole
He's
family.
gonna get dirty. Okay, I have to focus. Stop making jokes. Okay. I'm gonna start with the purple.
Okay, good luck. I'll come down.
Okay,
and
thank
let
you.
See.
Yes.
Well, come get me when it's all done.
I will.
Okay. So we are gonna start with the purple Mesmerize. And we're gonna pour it in the middle. Like this. I love this color. I really, really, really do. I'm gonna start up here. And now I could add more after.
Starting up here.
Starting up here.
Really random words now.
Sure. Oh. Blue. Blippity doo. And we're just gonna do like a simple. Okay, ready? I'm gonna lightly take the color. So light because I'm just stretching it out.
Stretching.
Stretching very carefully. Whispering. Okay. Ooh, wait till you guys see the reflection of this color. Hold on, let's see if I can. Oh, you already see. See that? Ooh.
They probably can't see anything.
No, look, they can. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to just swipe it out the other way too. Why not? I'm actually going to start with Lagoon.
Lagoon.
Right? I don't know.
Actually, wow, what's the lagoon?
I know.
We're
going. And I'm going to do quite a bit of paint because we're going to do a blow and stretch. Okay? We're just doing all the paint at this point. Okay, so we have Lagoon there.
We have lagoon.
Lagoon. Okay, then I want to stay away. Then I'll do a bit of the Prussian blue because it's like moody waters. Sorry, it's Payne's Gray blue. Just Payne's Gray, but I just okay.
I knew what it was.
You knew what it was?
I
Okay.
use Payne's Gray a lot. I know
I do.
Payne's Gray when I see a Payne's Gray.
You sure do. Okay, now I'm gonna go with Mermaid, also a fave, of course.
I actually don't want mermaid.
And for this one, I am gonna drizzle Izzle.
We kind of feel like sugary blues to me. That's what we're gonna call
Ooh,
them.
I like that. And I'm just doing this because I don't know what the blowout's gonna look like, and we do want like variation in our waves, right? Also, this is quite fun. Okay, now,
A new goal, Mom, is for all the art pieces you do
yeah.
to make it a semblance to a flag.
I love that. Does this look like a flag?
It could look
This is the rose
Polish
gold.
flag, Indonesian flag,
Oh,
or the Monaco flag.
cool. All right, I'm just making a bit, perhaps, of some sand. I don't know.
I know there's a couple more out there,
Yeah,
but those are the ones I can think of off my head.
smart. Okay. Lastly, I think, I didn't do the algae yet, so I'm going to do a bit of algae down here. Then I will top it with the phthalo turquoise. We have no idea what's going to happen, guys, and that is the fun of it, isn't it? Okay. And I'm going to drizzle the phthalo turquoise, and I think, I wonder if I should do, I think I'll do silver cell activator. I know that's an interesting choice. Is it interesting? I don't know.
Guys, comment down below
Yeah.
which place would you want to live in?
Uh-huh.
Out of Poland, Monaco, or Indonesia?
Ooh, those are interesting choices. Okay, Tio, for 1 second, let me make a decision here. I have gold cell activator and silver. I'm feeling cool silvers, and then maybe I'll swipe with some white cell activator. Okay, this is like the,
Do you need help explaining?
no, this is the time that we need prayers, because I have this little hair dryer here. It's the Babyliss Pro. It's my only hair dryer with this. That's why I'm using it. Normally I might use a bigger one, but oh well for me.
I saw a couple upstairs today.
Hair dryers?
Yes.
Okay.
Those little pieces you want.
So the plan is I'm going to put the cell activator, I guess, just down the middle. And I don't care really, because I'm not looking for cells. I just want to break up the color. But I do want a wavy feel. And I don't have that much cell activator left, so that's fine. I'm just going to do my thing, if you know what I mean. Are you ready for my thing? Because again, it's not cells we're looking for. I just need a little bit of color breakup. Okay, are you ready? And I guess I can do some white too. Why not? It's waves, you know? It's wavy beachy. There, look at that. Okay, white, oops, white side. Oosh! Okay, we're gonna have to do something about that. Okay, ready? Okay, you saw a lot of blowing back and forth. What I was trying to do is kind of get like a wave motion rather than just blow out that way. We'll see if I've done it. Oh, I guess that doesn't really matter, but maybe I'll just swipe. We'll see what happens. But I think these are very beautiful. Let's see if I can swipe that cell activator away. There are parts where the silver did not blow out, and we can like, there's really some beautiful parts here. I'll show you close up in a minute, but I'm just gonna break up because I want to go with the flow of the ocean still. You know what I mean? So yeah, there's some cool parts. I don't want to touch it too much until I start spinning and stretching. But I think I'm liking the top parts a lot, but we have to figure out what we're doing. So I am gonna put more purple here, just so I can start tilting because we wanna make sure she tilts nicely. Slowly, because we need to get those purple corners off, but I don't wanna ruin, oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna first take off more of this bottom and then stretch it out, just so slowly. Okay, slowly, slowly. I do want a bit of that gold to stay. Okay, now, because it's kind of like, you know, rocks or crashing things. Okay, good. Gonna just get it back to the middle. Let's go. Okay, now we're gonna bring her back down a little bit. If we can. The colors in the sparkle are so pretty. Pretty happy with her. Is this giving lake vibes? Okay, you guys will tell me if this is good enough to hang on a lakeside retreat. I don't hate her, okay? So I hope you guys don't hate her. And I think once you see the actual sparkle of everything, you know, you'll like her even more. So tell me, what do you think? I really like I didn't even do my idea about blowing out then swiping because I didn't need to in this case. But I don't know. Am I just crazy? Is it not good? Okay, let's do a close-up. We'll see. I love you guys. And also I have a few retreat spots left. Click the link. I teach you blooming. You get to laugh with me. You get to eat good food. It's really fun. Bye.
How do I get involved with this, dude? And sparkle, how are you gonna get sparkle?
Because the lighting. See, like, how
No wonder why you fell.
Why?
Because you tried to do everything up here.
Yeah.
Babe, you're not gonna get, I can't do sparkles. And my foot is wet in pain.
Come on.
I don't see.
Sparkle.
There's no sparkle.
Well, there's no sparkle.
Well, you're not gonna get it from up here. I'm gonna take a picture though.